Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a beautiful recipe on cayenne pepper salve that is amazing for helping with joint pain. Now, this is not my own recipe. This is a recipe by Susie Rebello. She has a YouTube channel and I will link her video in the description box below. I'm going to change a couple of simple things in this recipe to make my own variation. So I'll also let you know what is her original recipe, and I'm gonna let you know what kind of change I'm gonna do. So this is for a DIY cayenne pepper salve. We're gonna go through step by step, and it really helps with soothing aches and pain. So if you're dealing with persistent joint pain, muscle discomfort, or any arthritis related issues, Susie, who is a wonderful health activist and a YouTuber, brings you an easy and effective solution, this wonderful salve. And in this video, I'm going to break down Susie's recipe and guide you through the process of creating your very own natural pain relief remedy. Now, the ingredients that she uses is cayenne pepper, and she uses 1 ounce of grounded cayenne pepper into fine powder. She also uses 1 ounce of beeswax, as well as 8 ounces of olive oil. Now, if you don't want to use olive oil, you can use sunflower seed oil, grape seed oil as well, but olive oil is very nourishing for the nerves and for the joints. She also uses 0.5 ounces of vodka. I'm going to go ahead and replace it with glycerin, vegetable glycerin, and you will need a jar with a lid, and you would also need containers for self-dispensing. Now, Susie explains that the cayenne pepper has a rich history dating back to 6000 BC in Mexico. It is packed with capsicum and the active compound responsible for the pepper's heat. And cayenne pepper also has wonderful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Now, when you apply it topically, capsicum increases blood flow. It also reduces the pain signals, and it provides relief from arthritic, rheumatoid, and muscle pain as well. Now, the first step is to infuse the cayenne pepper into the oil, and you're going to start by mixing 1 ounce of powdered cayenne pepper with 0.5 ounces of glycerin. So as I said in my recipe, I'm going to use glycerin. She personally used vodka. And then you're going to allow the mixture to sit for 24 hours, letting the alcohol or the glycerol, whatever you're using, extract the pepper's properties. The second step is to create the cayenne pepper oil. You're going to blend the infused cayenne pepper with 8 ounces of olive oil for 5 minutes, and the friction generated during the blending will help to infuse the oil with the beneficial properties of cayenne pepper. Step 3 is to strain and melt the beeswax. You're going to strain the oil using a cheesecloth, and you're going to ensure a smooth, clear liquid comes out. And then you're going to go ahead and melt 1 ounce of beeswax using a double boiler method. Then you're going to go and combine the oil with the beeswax. So you're going to add the strained cayenne pepper oil to the melted beeswax, and you're going to stir until the mixture is well combined and clear. You're going to pour the warm mixture into sterilized containers, let it cool at room temperature, and then apply as needed. So when it comes to a couple of application tips, she did mention that apply the cayenne pepper salve to a localized area of pain, avoid open wounds, avoid cuts and rashes, wear gloves or use plastic wrap in order to protect your hands during the application, and use old clothing items or accessories such as socks and gloves to cover the treated area and contain the heat. Susie's DIY cayenne pepper salve offers a wonderful, natural and economical solution for alleviating and reducing joint and muscle pain. By infusing the healing properties of cayenne pepper into the oil, you're going to go ahead and create a potent topical remedy. Now, please remember to follow the application tips that we talked about at the end of the video, and also precautions to ensure a safe and effective experience. Then again, her video will be linked in the description box below. Highly advised for you to go check out her channel. She has wonderful remedies and wonderful content over there. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.